Hello, friends. Today I have got something exciting for you. I'll be sharing three fantastic online data analysis courses that can be wrapped up in just 4 to 6 months. These courses open doors to roles paying around $50 to $60 an hour, whether you opt for full time or part time, and the flexibility to do it remotely or in an office setting. Stick around to uncover your ticket to rewarding career in data analysis, tailored to your schedule and preferences. So let's start. So first of all, let's start with what is data analytics. So data analytics convert raw data into actionable insights. It includes a range of tools, technologies, and processes used to find trends and solve problems by using data. Data analytics can shape business processes, improve decision making, and foster business growth. An important aspect of data analysis is related to dashboards. The main use of a dashboard is to show a comprehensive overview of data from different sources. Dashboards are useful for monitoring, measuring, and analyzing relevant data in key areas. So for decision makers like executives, it's very important that they visualize all the information in the shape of data dashboards. So through these courses, you will learn how you can perform data analysis, how you can design better and efficient dashboards. So let's jump into those sites and I'll show you those sites one by one where you can go and complete these courses in no time. Okay, let's start. So first of all, just go to Google and write Udacity. Once you write, you will see some search results. Just click on this one and the website will open. In the search box, just write SQL and it will open a bunch of courses. Since our focus is to complete these courses free of cost, just go to price section and click on free. It will open two courses. So these courses are basically just to give you like basic information how SQL data analysis works. One course is just for one day, you can complete in one day, and second course is only 7 hours. So let's click on the first one, which is SQL for data analysis. That's where you will enroll. So this course will start with just basic SQL. You will gain knowledge about SQL basics for working with a single table. So it's really a basic foundation for you just to know how SQL works. Further, you will advance to SQL joins. You will learn how to combine data from multiple tables. Then you will go to SQL aggregation. You will learn how to aggregate data using SQL functions like sum, average, and count. Further, you will advance to SQL subqueries and temporary tables. This is very important part of SQL where you perform subqueries. It will give you an idea how subqueries works. You can further practice. SQL data cleaning is a very important part of SQL. So what will happen? You will know the techniques how to perform data cleaning. Once that part is done, you will go to advanced SQL window functions. You will compare one row to another without doing any joins using one of the most powerful concept in SQL data analysis, which is windows functions. The last part is related to SQL advanced joins and performance tuning. So you'll learn advanced joins and how to make queries that run quickly across giant data sets. And if we click on back and you will see this one, introduction to relational database. Again, you will further enhance your knowledge. You will learn further about data and tables. Then advance to elements of SQL. You will learn about using select and insert statements, which are again kind of basic statements, but since you will lay your foundation, there is a touch of Python in database. So it's give you an idea how Python implementation is used in SQL database. and for last part is deeper into SQL. So basically these two courses will give you like a clear picture how SQL databases works, what are elements, what are sections, and how subqueries, tables, and those kind of things there, right? So once you're done there, the next resource I would recommend you, just go on YouTube. You will find many useful videos there about SQL, but this is the one I really found useful. It's from freecodecamp.org. And just imagine it has got 17 million views. Can I shows you how widely this tutorial is used? It's a 4 hours 20 minutes complete tutorial. Once you are done with those two courses, just come here and just go step by step, learn all these lessons, practice them. Again, as you know, IT is all about practice. The more you will practice, the more you will learn. So just go through all the lessons which are instructed in this tutorial and you will learn a lot about SQL. I can guarantee you that. Again, since we're focusing on SQL at this time, so just go to Free Code Camp website. And if you write here in the search box SQL, it will open a bunch of resources. So in your free time, whenever you get a chance, just go through that. It kind of covers different aspects of SQL. For example, it tells you temp table, how to create temporary tables, then data storage, how you will store data and retrieve data sets, right? So further, you will advance your skills learning about complex queries. So these are so many resources which you can go through one by one, depending on how much time you got. Once you are done these parts, I can guarantee you that you will master all aspect of SQL. So guys, just go for that. And then once this part is done where you have learned a lot about SQL, I'll show you the next part. Okay, as you guys knows, Python is widely used in IT infrastructures these days. So again, from freecodecamp.org, I found this course very useful. So I would say once you are done with SQL or in parallel, you can just start because Python is of course altogether different language. But since we will learn implementation of Python in SQL, so it's very important you just visit one of the sites where you find good resource. This resource I found very useful, so just go for this one. Again, it's from Free Code Camp, and as you can see, it has got 42 million views on this video. So again, it kind of shows you the authenticity of this video. It's a complete course which you can use for your learning purpose, and like it's a long course, about 4 hours, I believe. So once you are done with this course, I can guarantee you
Step
will
into
have
Wix Studio, where creative
let's pass
freedom
this ad.
meets absolute efficiency.
In this
Okay,
course, I'm going to
so
teach you everything.
as you can see, it's a 4 hours, 26 minutes course, just like the one we have done previously. So just go for this one, complete all the steps of Python, and you will learn a lot. It's very important you master different aspects of Python. Its implementation is in different environments, as I mentioned earlier. So this is a second recommendation for you. And this skill is very important to learn these days, is Tableau. So its implementation again is in many environments, from government to private to hospitals to healthcare to manufacturing, like you name it. So all those organizations, they use Tableau for data analysis and dashboards. So it kind of give you an idea how these things work. This is official Tableau website, but again, I was going through different resources and I found this course very useful from Edureka. It has 3.2 million views. As I said before, there are many resources available, but I would recommend you what I have seen and what I believe is really good as far as the content is concerned. So just go for this full course. It's a 6 hours course. Again, it all depends on your time. If you get time, just practice it. You will design different dashboards, perform data analysis, and you will learn a lot. Once you are done with these three skills, you will have such a good grasp of how data analysis and dashboard works. and I can guarantee you, you will have a very good value in the market. Now, just to give you an idea how the job market is, so if we check on LinkedIn, I was just checking for my own research, so just in US, there are over 5,900 jobs there which are related to data analysis. They are from junior roles to medium, like expert and those kind of roles, senior roles. So all type of roles are there. And many of these roles, you don't have to be on site. You can do it remotely. You can work full time, part time, as far as what your preferences are. So this is just like one part. Things change from time to time, as you know, these days, during Christmas holidays, hiring is not at that level where it should be. But of course, it will ramp up as the new year will start. I was also checking a website in Australia, which is they call Seek.com. So these jobs, like if I search with work from home, so there are 670 jobs in Australia, which are remotely offered for analysis and for data analyst positions. So as you can see, there are roles which doesn't require even any experience. But if you have experience, then of course you will have more value. As you can see, the junior role, of course, they will pay less, but senior roles, they are paying over 95 to $115 per hour, which is really a good role. You don't have to be in Australia to do these roles. I can guarantee you that these are like remote roles, right? So I would say just go through these courses and explore your opportunities. I'm pretty sure you'll be successful if you just give enough time for practice. And my very best wishes are with you. Thanks so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye.